Hello my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be a quick unboxing video. I have three packages that arrived in the mail. I've been collecting them for the last few days. I figured, hey, I might as well open them up and show everyone what's inside. I'm not really sure what some of these are, but I actually know what one of them is, and it's related to the Loki series that's going to be coming out. And I figured, hey, I might as well show what's inside. And hopefully you'll enjoy this video. I'll try to keep the unboxing part of the unboxing video pretty short. And I'll show you what's inside. Oh, this is a very cool comic. So a lot of the comics that I buy are based on TV shows that I like or movies that I like. I'm gonna have to redo this one. This is Bob's Burgers. This is first appearance of Bob's Burgers in comics. So not a very expensive book. You can get this for like $20 to $30 range. But it's just a very cool. I think these ones that are show-based comics are highly underrated and have potential to go up in value. So this one was a show that I really like. I like Bob's Burgers a lot. It's very different than The Simpsons or South Park. And I just think it's a great show that is highly underrated. So this is definitely a book that I think has potential in the future. So I really like that show. Okay, and next one. So, okay. This one's very interesting. This one's not the best wrapped box I've ever seen, but it seems to be not mangled in any way. Like, not the best way to send things, but as long as it arrives safely, I'm pretty happy. What's up here? They kind of very thinly, like, you'll notice that they use like a very thin paper to protect it. Not the best way. And they taped it to it, so it's a little bit. Not the best wrapping, but okay. Okay. If I can get this out, even though it's not well wrapped, it's definitely in there tight. Okay. So it has a little note on the back. This is Power Man number 48. And it's the first meeting of Power Man and Iron Fist. Now, if you're not aware, there was like both a Power Man and an Iron Fist show on TV. And both did so-so. You know, they weren't like huge hits. I did watch both of them. I did kind of enjoy both of them, to tell you the truth. Yeah, they just, you know, they really didn't do that amazingly well. But there was the potential that they would have like a new show where they would team up. And this is where they first team up, where Power Man and, you're not familiar with Power Man, is actually Black Lightning. That's the name of the show. And this is Iron Fist over here. And, you know, this could be a good spec. So it's Iron Fist, Power Man number 48. And it's the first team appearance of Power Man and Iron Fist, and it's also the first time that Power Man, Iron Fist appear on the cover together. So that's kind of a nice little key. And this was it's a nice high grade. It's maybe an 8, so it's, you know, reasonable, and you can pick it up still fairly cheaply. It's not a pricey book. And this one is a lot. That's about the new Loki series that's going to be coming out. Let me just see if I can open this without killing the books. So much extra packaging. Okay, this one's better wrapped, at least. So, I love when they do this. They put the little tabs. This is great. Makes it really easy to get the books out. And then you can flip it. And they do it again. Lots of little tabs. And one more. And then I can pull the books out. There's dump stuff on the floor. I'll clean it up later. So this is West Coast Avengers, number 62. Okay, and number 61. So these are both related to Immortus. And Immortus might play a role in because he's kind of a time-related character. He's also related to Kang, the Conqueror. So it could be that in the next Loki series that Immortus might come up. I actually have Immortus's first appearance in, I think it's in Avengers. I don't see it, but I do have it. So I think it's Avengers number 10 is Immortus's first appearance. People can correct me in the comments below if I'm wrong on that, but I believe it's number 10. And these are other keys related to Immortus. So Immortus number 62 and 61. So nice little set. And that's it. As I said, it's a quick unboxing, just a few comics. But these are ones that, from TV series that I like and potential TV series that I might like. I really do have high expectations for the Loki series. It looks like it's going to be awesome. I'm a big fan of Loki, the character. So really looking forward to that show. So hopefully my speculation is correct and that Immortus will play a role in the Loki series. But you never know. So thanks for watching. Bye.